Getting kids excited to get outdoors and active is as simple as turning it into a game, like a treasure hunt. And today we're going to talk about one simple way to do that, and all you need is some paint and some rocks. Hey everybody, I'm Mrjeffsmith, and this is my family vlog called Fun Size Adventures, which is all about trying to get my family outdoors and active and thinking of creative ways to do it. Today in particular, we're going to be talking about painting rocks and hiding them along trails. I live here in Maine in a little town called Bucksport, and it seems like we have a really big painted rock scene up here. But from what I've gathered and a little bit of research I've done, it's kind of sweeping the nation. People will make little works of art on little tiny rocks, seal them, put hashtags or little Facebook links on the bottom, hide them around their town, and then when people find them, they could go on, look up the Facebook group or the hashtag that's on the back, and they can say that they found it, and then they can re-hide it. And what's great about this is it turns these little everyday walks and little adventures around your town into treasure hunts that really capture your kids' attention. The methods for painting rocks are as different as the people who paint them, but here I'll walk you through the way we do it at my house. First, we search the woods for some rocks. The smoother and flatter the better, but sometimes some unique rock shapes will lend themselves to unique paint designs. Then we lay some cardboard down, let the kids have the paint pens, and let them have at it. Their designs aren't always super intricate, but they're always good. Once the paint is all dry, flip them over and write your hashtag of your local rock group on the bottom so that people can post your rock when they find it. Then once that's dry, you seal the rocks. Here we're using some spray polyurethane, which just happens to be what I had, but surely there's other things that might even work better. So this is how we paint our rocks. If you have a different method, let us know in the comments. Then once all the rocks are dry, we head to town to go for a hike and to hide them for other people to find. We also keep an eye out to see if anyone else has hid some that we can find. We decided to hide our rocks today at the Bucksport Waterfront, which is just one of the many public trail options available in and around Bucksport. It's definitely the one with the most foot traffic, which means that our rocks will get picked up and put into circulation as quick as possible. Then we can check on social media and see who found them. Always be sure to hide your rocks on either public property or somewhere where you have permission to do so. And also make sure that it's not somewhere that's going to be a hazard to either a lawnmower or somebody else walking. No visit to the Bucksport Waterfront is complete without stopping by Wall's Dairy Port for some of the best ice cream around, especially when their soft serve flavor of the day is peanut butter. so we've hidden all our rocks. We haven't found any new ones, but that's okay. Sometimes you hide them, sometimes you find them. That's the name of the game. Whenever you're walking the Bucksport Waterfront, Steve St. Peter seems to turn up.
Hey, how you doing, guys? I'm Steve St. Peter. Welcome to Fun Size Adventures on YouTube.
All right, everybody, so we hit all our rocks. We found one new one hidden in that drain pipe. It seems to be a spot that not too many people look. But anyway, everybody, thank you so much for coming on this adventure with us today. And if you enjoyed this idea of turning your everyday walks into treasure hunts by painting rocks and hiding them for other people to find and looking for them yourselves, be sure to get on social media and see if you can look up any groups in your area. If not, it's easy enough to start your own. And it's a lot of fun and we enjoy doing it. But until next time, if you want to go on another adventure with us, click on one of these videos, and until then, make sure you go out on a fun-sized adventure of your own.